Okay. Game. So, oops. The table is shaking right now. Welcome back to our channel. It's just me today. Plano ko is mag-shoot ng video for my first unboxing vlog. Kaso, napakadilim. So, hindi naman tayo professional vlogger, wala tayong studio, wala tayong ring light. Napakadilim. So, paano na? Makalat din. Look at that. Hindi pa naman siya umuulan, pero sobrang ulap, sobrang dilim ng ulap. See, narinig niyo yun? Kumulog. Good luck. Pero gawa natin ang paraan. I'm due for an upload in the next 24 to 48 hours. As promised, edit siguro magdamag. Hopefully makapag-upload ako tomorrow. Hope you like this video.
Excuse me, sir. What is this?
Diyan na.
What is this?
Camera.
Kala ko meron kang gift for me. So sweet, but it's not.
Yay.
What is it?
Let's do unboxing. Okay.
Oh, yan. So friends, FYI. No. When we come home, we spray that mix. It's Clorox, some Domex, and water. And then we wipe our shoes there. Tapos syempre, tambak galore because we don't bring our shoes inside. Magkano yan?
Mura lang po. So, officially welcome you to our first unboxing vlog. Feeling. I don't know how this works. Patry lang natin. So, apakagulo ng content ng channel namin, no? So, ang dami. Pero we just wanted to make sure that we get to document or take advantage of any possible content that we can use. So for this vlog, we decided to get DJI Osmo Pocket. Very small. Naka-box pa siya pero sobrang liit. We got it from Henry's Camera through their online store. Sila yung cheapest so far. If you are to get it from the official store from DJI in Makati or in Mega Mall or in QC, it will cost you roughly 3,000 more. There you go. So what is Osmo Pocket? Basically, it's a camera with gimbal. Pina-follow niya yung movement mo para hindi maging shaky or jittery yung shoot mo. Since isa't kalahating pamilyang Lamier dami, so I think mapapakinabangan naman siya mabuti. And also hindi kasi kami hindi mamahalin yung phones namin. So walang digital stabilizer yung mga phones namin. We're not an iPhone users. Huawei lang yung gamit namin. So let's see, buksan natin. Wait lang, ang init, buksan ko yung aircon. So, going back, Osmo Pocket is a 3-axis gimbal camera. Okay, it can shoot up to 4K with 60 FPS frames per second. So let's see, buksan natin. I know this is not a new gadget. This product has been released for I think close to 2 years now. So huling-huli na tayo. Napakadami niyo nang makikita ganito sa YouTube. So it's just that we bought one, so might as well do an unboxing video. This product is from DJI. This is officially my second DJI product. I think 2 or 3 years back, I bought my first DJI product. So initially they were known for their drone products, right? So ito yung first DJI product ko. I bought this as a toy. Hindi naman, when I say as a toy, hindi naman ako malukok. Sobrang bata kasi ako. Sobrang pangarap kong magkaroon ng remote control. Yung simpleng remote control car. But, hindi tayo nagkaroon ng ganun ng bata. So, siguro, when I first saw the drones made by DJI, napabili ako ng di oras. So, I've probably used this for just around 20 times. Hassle kasi now is that wherever you go, kailangan mo ng permit to fly. So, I gave him a name. His name is Slime. So, obviously, it's color green. It's still in very good condition. And what I bought is the Fly More combo. So it came with a remote control. So you don't have to fly using your mobile phone. So it came with a remote control. And then I bought another battery in Hong Kong 2 years ago. Kasi yung fly time ng isang battery is just around 20 minutes. So, tago na natin siya. I'm thinking of selling this. So, anyway, bakit ba tayo dito sa drone nagpo-focus? So, let's put these aside. Dun kayo. Now, let's focus on this. It's DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay, Osmo Shield. Osmo Shield offers a comprehensive coverage giving you 2-year of DJI Osmo warranty and one-time free accidental damage repair service. Ooh, so pwede kong maibagsak to. Pero syempre ingatan natin, medyo pricey. There. Ooh. Let's open first this. Tingnan natin. What's inside the box? So there's a small white box. Hindi ko alam kung anong laman. Oh, probably charger. Charger. So wire, USB, and the other end is USB-C. Strap. Yeah, strap for the casing. Malamang. What else? There's more. What are these? Connector. Okay. There are 2 connectors. One is for USB-C. There. And the other one is, I assume, for Apple. Yep, Lightning. Lightning connector for Apple products. Lagay natin dyan. So, what else? Ano na yan? Yung last one. Warranty card. So, very important. Warranty card itago natin in the actual instructions in different languages. Pero I don't read the manuals, but instead I use YouTube all the time. I'm sure you do too. So here we go. Ooh. Wow. Very sleek. Visual. Ooh. So this is the casing. So nasa loob na siya ng casing. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Feeling vlogger. feeling vlogger. Para nag-focus ba? Yan. So, there you go. This is the screen, the power button, I assume, and probably the record button. So, what are these for? These connectors. So obviously, kung makikita nyo, sobrang liit ng screen. It's just 1 by 1, 1 inches, 1 inches by 1 inch, or 1 inch by 1. Tanga. 1 by 1. Basta 1 by 1. Parang yung 1 by 1 photo. Sobrang liit. Pero it's touchscreen. It is touchscreen. There. Tanggalin ko na ba? So, tanggalin ko na. Okay, let me show you the basics. So, look at that. Can you see it? So it is moving, right? So the gimbal is moving. It's moving sideways. It's moving up and down, and this bigger piece is also tilting. So it's three-way access. So kahit siguro nagja-jogging, wait, alam ko na. Naalala nyo ba to? Eto pa. Di ba nahilo namin kayo? So for our future travel vlogs, hindi na mangyayari yan. So we have a better gadget para maging mas stable yung videos natin. I'm just not sure yung audio quality nito, yung pag-capture ng audio quality. So there's a microphone here, and there's also a microphone here. 1, 2, 3. There. Magiging selfie mode siya. There you go, follow my face. There you go. Diba? So very smooth yung movement ng camera. I promise I'll show you some sample clips. You know if a gadget's in good quality. Hindi siya mukhang laruan. Sobrang liit yan. Here's my palm. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. Sobrang liit. So kung mag-vlog ka rin outside, hindi nakakahiya. So kung nasa airport ka or nasa public place ka, very handy. Parang kausap mo lang yung katabi mo. So hindi halatang mag-vlog. So yun. Mabigat siya. Mabigat. Hindi siya mukhang laruan. Ganda, cool. So hopefully on our next vlogs, hindi na namin kayo mahilo. There. Very handy. Parang ballpen lang siya. You can put it inside your pocket. Hence the name Osmo Pocket. Very handy. Kahit nasa airplane ka. So, you know, I was really contemplating if I'm going to buy an action camera, like a GoPro. Pero, sabi nila, mas maganda pa rin kasi yung mechanical gimbal or mechanical stabilizer versus the digital stabilizer. Let's see pag nakakuha tayo ng mga footages. Thank you for watching.
Alright, our first unboxing related to our vlog.
Eat it.
Later.